Hello, everybody. The angel number 9898 is very significant at this time, and it is the 6th of the 6th, 2026. And they want you to know a significant phase in your life has come to an end. With this, other events will also have subsequent endings as a result. Whether you realize it or not, this is happening. You are going through a chain of events where many parts of your life are slowing or stopping. Wipe your tears. Start celebrating. Divine blessings are finally here. Your guardian angels are watching over you. Trust the process. Your loved ones and your ancestors are all around you at this time, looking after your happiness and well being. And they say there's news on its way. They want you to know no matter what, they will always love you as much as they can. They see that you are choosing peace over the chaos, and you're going to have wealth and success in all areas of your life, your mind, your body, and your soul. They want you to open up your heart. There is somebody new coming into your life, and you slowly but surely are getting ahead. They say your potential for greater love rests in opening your heart. Blockages and wounds from the past will be healed, and you'll be met with the true passion that you seek. You've walked away from so much. Now just be patient. There is something important coming your way, like a new job or raising your monies, and good fortune is also coming from this. There's a happy surprise coming your way. It's going to give you a fresh start, and there's going to be reconciliation. Something very good is about to happen for you. It's going to be good luck. And although you've been feeling tired down and frustrated, you're going to get financial stability. It's a new beginnings. There's money coming your way. There has been unsettling times, and we had to plan ahead. This is an opportune time for you to rise from the ashes stronger. They say you are on the right path regarding some aspect of your life, and you're going to have peace of mind. There's happiness coming your way and recognition and reward for merit. They say you must not be tempted to lower your standards. Have a lovely evening, everybody. I love you all.